Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel. Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to be going over the bear hug escape that's utilized in the Sil Lim Tao and Advanced Sil Lim Tao. Go through practical application and how to apply it. But before we do that, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always so you'll be kept up with our latest videos. Thanks for all your support and have a great day. So after the Gom Sao, you have the bear hug escape. So you have the Daijun, the reverse palm strike, and the Sun Gum. So for practical application, it's really done backwards in the form. When somebody would grab me, I want to lower my center of gravity and expand my back. So one of the key components is using your back to create space here. So I'm going to step out, expand the back, and then you're never going to stick both hands behind your back. One hand is going to stay up to cover your face, and this palm strike is going to the groin. And from here, we're just going to add one piece from the Advanced Sil Lim Tao to take the throw. So when Keith comes in, let's walk it through. So remember, Wing Chun's a contact reflex art. You don't want to wait for him to be here and bear it down and start moving. So again, as soon as you start to feel it, you want to start to step out and create some space. Okay? We're going to move out, so I'm going to step here, I'm going to step out to my right, and I'm going to utilize, let's go this way, just show it to the back, right? So from here, when I step out, I'm going to create space here, using that to create a space with us. Back to where you are. So I'm going to work my way in, step out, I'm opening up my back. From here, I want to make sure I also be able to hurt him more. So I want to use the elbow, come behind in here. Here's that reverse palm. Keep your woo up, so he might try and grab for your face, so I need to cover that. Strike from here, and now we'll apply from Advanced Sil Lim Tao. We'll step behind, and all I'm simply doing is throwing him right over my leg. Okay, so one more time. You work your way through. As soon as you feel him, open up, create the space. 1, 2, step behind him, and if he's a little taller, you grab the leg and simply throw. One more time. It's good for you, huh? So coming in, step out, 1, strike, strike, step behind, throw him over the leg, and take it. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.